Hello dear kids, next week we are going to celebrate Rakhi Purnima, yani Raksha Bandhan. We are going to make some very easy Rakhis, the material which are available at our place. Let's enjoy the activity. First we will take beads, whatever we are having at home, and the wool or any type of thread. Then children, see the measurement of the wool. If I will tie the Rakhi, this much measurement you have to take. We are not going to use needle. I am going to apply little bit Fevicol here, and I am making the needle of the wool. Okay, after that, according to sequence, I am going to insert this beads. And children, don't forget to tie a knot over here. Children, our Rakhi is ready. At the last, we are going to tie another knot here. Our Rakhi is ready. Like this, you can make small beads Rakhi also. For this cartoon Rakhi or drawing Rakhi, we need thread and the paper. I used our last year's planner backside. Okay. I have drawn a car over here. You can draw any type of cartoon like Doraemon or Chota Bheem or anything. Now I am drawing here smiley. You can color this picture. I am going to stick this over here like this. I am going to apply another paper over here. Let's see. Okay, so I kept this vehicle, this car ulta. Then I am going to apply glue. Then I will keep this thread on it. And this paper is okay. We are going to keep this paper here on it. So it will get the strength. So our drawing Rakhis are ready. Now children, see, our lovely animal Rakhi or cartoon Rakhi is ready. For photo Rakhi, I made a oval of this passport size photo, and it is a planner. I stick another paper on it, and it is a paper which I am going to stick behind. Okay. Kundans I am taking to decorate the Rakhi. Okay. First I am going to apply glue on the photo, stick it on it. Okay. And then I am going to keep it like this. Here I am going to apply glue. We are going to keep this thread. And this paper is for the support. Press it properly. Now I am applying glue on it. And I am going to use the kundans. And I am using this matchstick to stick it properly because kundans are small. So we can use this stick and stick the kundans properly and fast. After completing decoration, see, our Rakhis are looking so nice. For this Rakhi, we need any type of paper which all I am having at home and Fevicol. So first I made a square of one paper. Then I folded in the middle like this. Then again I folded. Yes. Then I am going to fold it once again. Yes. And at the last, we are going to cut this extra edge. Yes. And then cut as a flower. Then open this flower. You can make different size flowers like this. Now children, I am ready with the different sizes flowers. First we are going to stick this thread. And then we are going to stick this piece of paper on it. so it will give strength. Okay, so now turn this paper, apply glue on each and every one and stick on each other. I am sticking paper on each other, and at the last I am having glass at home. Otherwise you can use kundan or type of flower also on it. Okay, so our paper rakhi is ready. For this rakhi we need quilling strips, Fevicol, 2 circle pieces and kundan and beads. Okay children, I am not having quilling strips at home, so I am going to cut strips of this paper. Children, how to quill it? First I am going to give little pressure on this end, and then I am going to quill this paper strip. Okay children, see, when you will quill, it will look like this. It is quite tight, so we are going to keep it down and make it loose. Okay, then we will apply a little bit glue at the end like this, and we are going to stick here, and I am going to give the leaf shape to this quilling. First I am going to apply glue here and going to stick this thread properly on this paper and stick this another paper on it. Let it dry for a minute. So children, see, it is a patch of my sari which is waste material, but in the place of this you can use kundans or glass or any type of flower also. I am going to stick it in a middle. Like this you can make rose flower also and stick it in a middle. It will also give a fantastic effect to your rakhi. And then children, I am going to stick this. This quilling need quite a little bit more glue. Yes, like this I am going to arrange these quillings on this paper. After sticking this, I am going to keep this crystals, or we can say beads, motis on it, so it will look very nice. So our this quilling rakhi is ready. This rakhi I am ready with the earbuds. I cut the earbud, that straw, and both the ends I have taken, and the kundans and this type of glass I am having. If you are not having glass, you can use rose flower also. Okay. First I am going to stick this thread to this paper. For rakhi. Now children, I am going to stick this mirror in a center. And children, in the place of this earbuds, you can use pista shells also. Yes. And now I am going to stick that earbuds here. Okay children, so our earbud rakhi is ready.